MX dude there. So I picked up a new toy about a week ago or so. 07 rm85. She had a blown top end, but I rebuilt it. I think the piston. Oh yeah, the piston is right here. Yep. The rings actually stick to the piston. The damn water pump shaft was not hooked up properly, so it overheat, and the damn thing she popped. I bought it super cheap though, super cheap. So I did the top end, I did the rear wheel bearings, I did some new handlebars. Actually, I took them off the YZ and put them on the RM. Yeah, that thing got a full FMF exhaust, which is brand fucking new actually. Yeah, I'm gonna pull that puppy out to do a startup. Actually, I only started up once since I rebuilt it. Where in the heck did I put my tripod? Right there. Alright. So we got on a tripod. Gonna pull that thing outside and start it. Not even warmed up yet. That's about it. She run mint. So, see you on the next video. Peace out.